Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us for our 2:30 streaming show. I'm Robinson Miles. Jamie Buchanan is needed elsewhere today, so you are just stuck with me for the time being. Of course, we do have a lot of things happening around the Tri-States. We'll just go ahead and jump right in. Now, for our first headline here, we're continuing to keep an eye on that large fire that we told you about in Fort Branch. We do have a video from the scene here that we just got into our newsroom. Now, Bryce West has been on scene for a few hours and will join us live again on 14 News at 4. Sheriff Bruce Vanoven says multiple fire departments were called in to help battle the fire on Center Street. Fire departments from Fort Branch, Comstock, Township, Princeton, and Holmesville. Comstock Police and the Gibson County Sheriff's Office are also on scene. There's heavy smoke, which has finally died down thanks to all these firefighters. A neighbor told Bryce the homeowner was not there at the time, which is some good news. Now, again, we'll have some more from Bryce in Fort Branch tonight on all our shows throughout the evening on 14 News. Now, for our second headline, this is one that is just developing right now that we are just getting, we're working to get more information on. Evansville police need your help. Officers say 50-year-old Tyson Wright was reported missing on Sunday. Oh, excuse me, it looks like I clicked the wrong one there. There we go. Officers say 50-year-old Tyson Wright was reported missing on Sunday. He's described as being 5'9", 160 pounds, with gray hair and blue eyes. Officers say he may be wearing a red Nike sleeveless t-shirt, jean shorts, and purple Air Jordan highs. He was last seen on July 19th on the east side of Evansville. Anyone with information is asked to contact police. And now for our final headline here today. Things changing over in Hopkins County. It is the end of an era over there where Sheriff Matt Sanderson is retiring after 11 years in office. Now, Sanderson is rounding out 28 years wearing the badge. He says the choice to retire felt right after achieving so many of the goals he set a decade ago, including the construction of a new sheriff's office building. Sanderson says when he took office, he set out to unify all of Hopkins County's first responder agencies to work together as one public service team, which he says makes the community safer. 14 News' Jamie Buchanan spoke with Sheriff Sanderson this morning, and she's working on that story right now. We'll have more for us tonight on 14 News at 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to break a little bit from tradition here. Normally this would be where we hand it off to our 14 weather team, but we're having a few issues with the computers right now, so they are busy monitoring the situation with our weather right now. And for our full forecast, just be sure to circle back for 14 News at 4, 5, 6, and beyond. And of course, you can always check 14news.com to stay up to date with all breaking news and weather. So that's going to round out our 2:30 streaming show. Thank you for joining us.